In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a broken mobile layout in Webflow. If your mobile layout looks messy or misaligned, the solution is to properly adjust your design across different breakpoints. First, switch between desktop and mobile views. While editing your site on your PC, regularly toggle to the mobile view using the device icons at the top. This helps you immediately see how changes affect smaller screens. Second, check the impact of every new element. For example, if you add a button, drag it into your page in desktop view, then switch to mobile view to see how it appears. Sometimes elements may overlap, look too large, or shift out of place on smaller screens. You can make specific adjustments directly in mobile view, such as resizing, repositioning, or adjusting margins and padding to ensure everything fits properly. The key is to keep switching back and forth between desktop and mobile layouts to find a balanced and responsive design. And that's it. That's how you fix a broken mobile layout in Webflow.